Hello, 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 and welcome to my fake live. Today is Wednesday, January 4th, and I am traveling. So I had to pre-record this, but you're in for a treat because there's lots going on. Go ahead and comment, say hello, show me that you're here. You can type hashtag replay if you're watching the replay. All is great. So we are counting down the days to our awesome launch on Friday, and also that creative kickstart that you're going to love to earn for free also starts Friday. But today we are going to do our awesome tiered tray inserts into our Valentine tier tray. So the inserts come unfinished, and then I'm going to show you how to finish them and add them to your tier tray. Let me go ahead and have you see right here. So they come unfinished like this, and I am going to just give it a little spritz of water. Make sure that that's on all of the sides. And I'm just going to dip in. I want a white finish. So I'm going to use some of my bright white chalk paste. And when you add that water, it really allows this to spread so nicely over the piece of wood. All right, so here you go. It doesn't take much. And the more water you use, the less you're going to actually have coverage, okay? So if you're using a lot of water, then you'll have a little bit shearer coverage, which is great for like the whitewash effect. If you want perfectly white, you're gonna go full on as much as you can. This is pretty much as I want. I may even sand a little, give it a little distress. And of course, you guys, we need to dry this. Okay, so now that we have those created, we will go ahead and do a little waxing on here. Take my surface wax and go ahead and wax this whole surface front and back, because these are going to be double-sided. So we can use them for Valentine's, and then when we're ready, we can flip them over for Easter, okay? And then of course we'll have patriotic, summer, and then back to fall and our winter or holiday stuff. So you can have one tier tray and then have these different inserts to change out your tier tray. The cool thing is that our tier tray comes apart, so it ships flat, nice and easy. And, okay, feels good. All right, so our transfer is called Circle of Love because it's our Valentine transfer. And there are two sizes here. We have the heart that looks like a rainbow and then the random heart. The random heart is the larger one, and that's the one we're going to put on the big circle. And then, of course, this will go on to our small circle. Now, as we do this, I'm just going to write back on here and back on here. There is a hole here that we will line this circle up with so that we can chalk it perfectly around the circle. And I am going to fuzz this a little bit because we're going onto some wood that is, it's like raw wood, but it's also a little bit. All right, so we're just going to kind of center this. That looks awesome. And on this bottom one, I'm going to use some of our Marvelous. I'm going to go ahead and get one of our small squeegees, which is a nice size because we're going to do this twice. And it's pretty quick to chalk everything all at once. Instead of using one of our minis or anything like that, this is a little bit quicker. There we go. All right. Beautiful. Now I'm just gonna put the extra back in there and I'm gonna peel it and kind of turn this. And then we're gonna do it again, but I should dry at least these edge ones so that when I go over it with my transfer, they are nice and dry. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and center this again. Just like that. Shoot, I messed it up. There we go. All right, now I gotta wash my hands real quick. So I got a lot of that chalk paste on there. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of like make sure that this is patted down. Oops, it's stuck over here. We don't want that. All right, so just to be careful, I'm gonna kind of go from the inside out. There we go. Because that way I'm not moving. Oh, look at what I just did. A huge mess. You guys are gonna have fun. You get to see me clean that up. Okay. Right there. Big mess. What do you do when you make a big mess? Well, I am going to do my best to wipe that off. Because it's such a big glob, I'm going to grab a disinfectant wipe, kind of wrap it around my finger while it's still wet and try to clean that up. The good news is I waxed, and that will help. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, set that aside, let it dry, or you can dry it with the quick dry tool. We're gonna go ahead and do this one next. And this one, we're gonna use the Slate Rose. You guys, that color is so awesome. Okay. Both of these colors are throughout all of my Valentine decor. All right. I also have another project that I'm going to be doing with this one, I do have, and I'll show you, I do have, actually I won't show you, because I don't have it here. I have some cutouts that coordinate with this that make it look like a rainbow. So we could do the cutouts on here as well with this heart rainbow, and that is for another project. But I will tell you, they're in the same Etsy shop that these are, the Creative Woodcut shop. These are called the tier tray inserts, and this is called Circle of Love. If you want it for this, you should buy 2 of them because it's just a one cutout. Now, these are in rows, so you could go like every other row, a different color, but I'm gonna go ahead and do all the same color. There we go. Guess what, you guys? I heard from our contractor, we are finally getting started with our basement. Isn't that exciting? Yay. All right, so I'm gonna peel this up and I'm gonna dry that. And then these line up to make the full circle of hearts. So you'll see when I line it up. Okay. I'm just going to get my head in there to make sure I've got it lined up. Okay. I'm going to wipe my hands off again. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Okay. So I'm going to get all of that extra off. Look at that. Beautiful. I have a little crack, but you know what? You can hardly tell. I'm going to go ahead and clean these with my board eraser and the water. Get them all nice and clean. It's pretty quick and easy. And then you can reuse these over and over many times on different projects. Okay. Perfect. So now we just need to get everything dried and kind of wash this off. Good deal. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and comment the word VIP and I'll send you a welcome message and a link where you can join my free crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and of course, insider information. Okay. Good, good, good. Now, go ahead and close this up. We're gonna assemble this. You can find links to the project stuff that I'm using in the description of this video. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that in there. And then our insert, look at that. So I had the green from autumn. Now I'm popping the insert in here. And we're just tightening this up. Okay, beautiful. And we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the top. And this goes through. Look at that. Beautiful. So then we can start filling in our adorable Valentine stuff. So we have made quite a bit. You can see the 2 tiers here. I had put my February 14th up here, and I think special delivery, I kind of wanted to put that in front of, there we go. And then look at this, Be Mine. How cute. We're going to go ahead and do our Love You Forever. We're going to pop that into the back. And then we've got our Sweetheart. Let's see, maybe this can go here. Our Love Bug. Oh my goodness, so cute. We have the big, let's pop that over here. Can kind of, I guess, there you go. Kissing booth, pucker up. We have this cute heart that I can, maybe we can lean it up against this. Love it. Love, love, love. And we still have our Love Shack and our Love that are going to go in here as soon as I grab the stands for them. So I'm not finished. There's more. I still have to do the book stack. You'll be seeing different pieces of these videos that I've used to create that whole thing. You can also throw in like a candle, or like I could put in a little dish that's a heart. Lots of stuff can go in there, of course, and we're not done. So thank you so much for hanging with me tonight, checking out the Valentine tier tray inserts, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Can't wait. Tomorrow, 8 p.m., a new video downloads. All right, everybody. Have a great rest of your Wednesday. Bye.